Video lecture script. Lecture 2. The Automation Economy and AI-Driven Wealth. Introduction. The Era of Intelligent Automation. Voiceover. Automation is no longer a concept of the future. It is here, fundamentally altering industries, reshaping labor markets, and transforming how wealth is created and distributed. The fusion of AI, robotics, and machine learning is giving rise to a new economic paradigm, where machines handle cognitive and physical tasks once exclusive to humans. With this shift, the global economy is experiencing productivity booms, employment disruptions, and a new wealth distribution model. A report from McKinsey & Company predicts that by 2030, 45% of workplace activities will be automated, leading to potential economic gains of $15 trillion globally. However, while productivity is increasing, automation presents critical challenges in employment, social inequality, and wealth accumulation. Understanding the automation economy. Voiceover. The automation economy is defined by the replacement or augmentation of human labor with intelligent machines. AI has expanded automation into fields previously thought immune to technological disruption, such as finance, law, medicine, and creative arts. Key characteristics. 1. Autonomous decision-making. AI optimizes operations without human intervention. 2. Continuous learning and adaptation. AI improves performance over time. 3. Data-driven intelligence. Organizations rely on real-time analytics. 4. Global scalability. Businesses operate 24/7 across multiple markets. Example: AI-driven call centers in India and the Philippines have reduced human agents by 47%, improving customer response times by 62%. Economic impact of AI-powered automation. Voiceover automation is redefining industries, increasing productivity, and cutting costs. Businesses leveraging AI-based automation report an average increase of 30 to 50% in efficiency. Harvard Business Review, 2023. 1. Productivity gains. AI eliminates errors and speeds up processes. 2. Cost reductions. Operational expenses decrease with intelligent automation. Case study. Amazon, the global e-commerce giant, has fully automated its supply chain using AI-driven robotic fulfillment centers. By reducing reliance on manual labor, Amazon has improved order fulfillment speed by 400% and cut operational costs by 35%. Job displacement versus job creation. Voiceover. One of the most debated topics in AI automation is job displacement. The World Economic Forum estimates that 85 million jobs will be displaced by 2025, but 97 million new AI-related roles will emerge. Jobs at risk. 1. Repetitive manual labor. Manufacturing, warehouse jobs, retail cashiers. 2. Clerical work. Data entry, routine administrative tasks. 3. Basic customer service. Call centers, FAQ support roles. New AI-driven roles. 1. AI maintenance and governance. AI trainers, ethics auditors, and regulatory compliance managers. 2. Advanced human-AI collaboration roles. AI-assisted medical professionals. AI-enhanced creative directors. 3. Automation system. Architects. Developers creating seamless AI-driven business ecosystems. Example: Tesla's gigafactories employ autonomous robots for vehicle production, reducing assembly time per car by 33%, while simultaneously increasing demand for robotics engineers and AI system developers. The shift from labor to capital-based wealth. Voiceover. Historically, economic participation revolved around labor-based income, where individuals exchanged time and effort for wages. AI automation is reshaping this dynamic, increasing reliance on capital investments, data ownership, and AI-driven assets for wealth accumulation. Key trends in AI-driven wealth. 1. AI-first enterprises. Companies leveraging AI grow 40% faster than traditional businesses. 2. Algorithmic finance. AI-powered hedge funds outperform human-led firms by 27% annually. 3. Decentralized AI networks. Open-source AI ecosystems allow individuals to monetize their data and computational power. 4. Ownership of AI-driven businesses. Companies with fully automated workflows generate capital-driven revenue rather than labor-reliant income. Case study: AI and financial markets. Hedge funds such as Bridgewater Associates and Renaissance Technologies utilize AI for predictive financial modeling. AI's ability to process vast data sets in milliseconds allows firms to identify market trends before they emerge, resulting in 3x higher investment accuracy than human analysts. Policy and ethical considerations in AI wealth distribution. Voiceover. As automation increases productivity while reducing traditional employment opportunities, policymakers must ensure economic stability and equitable wealth distribution. Potential solutions for AI-induced wealth inequality. 1. Universal Basic Income, UBI. A fixed income for all citizens, funded by AI-driven businesses and taxation of automated systems. 2. AI taxation, implementing taxes on AI systems that replace human workers. 3. Education. Reform and workforce upskilling. Governments investing in AI and STEM education to prepare workers for new career paths. 4. Public AI ownership models. AI profits redistributed through government-run AI investment programs. Example: 1. Finland's UBI experiment, 2017-2019, provided unconditional income to 2,000 unemployed citizens, resulting in improved economic stability and increased business creation. 2. Singapore's AI upskilling program retrains 20,000 workers annually in AI-related fields, ensuring continued workforce participation. Preparing for the AI-powered wealth shift. Voiceover. To remain competitive and financially secure in the AI economy, businesses and individuals must adapt their strategies. Strategies for businesses. 1. Invest in AI-driven processes to maximize efficiency. 2. Balance human-AI collaboration rather than relying solely on automation. 3. Implement AI governance frameworks to ensure ethical decision-making. Strategies for individuals. 1. Acquire AI-relevant skills through continuous education. 2. Invest in AI-driven assets, such as AI-powered stocks, crypto, and automated trading platforms. 3. Diversify income streams to avoid dependency on a single profession. Conclusion: the future of wealth in the automation economy. Voiceover AI-driven automation is reshaping the fundamentals of economic growth, accelerating productivity while disrupting traditional labor markets. Governments, businesses, and individuals must proactively prepare for a future where machines contribute more to the economy than human labor. The challenge now is to ensure fair wealth distribution, ethical AI deployment, and inclusive economic policies that empower society as a whole. With AI advancing at exponential rates, the automation economy is not a distant reality. It is already here. The question is no longer if automation will define the future of wealth, but rather how we ensure AI-driven prosperity benefits everyone. Next lecture: AI's role in global power structures and economic strategies for individuals and businesses.